Here at the firm, Eibach Track Attack 2019. Car is ready. I got everything prepped, got my wheels on, everything's ready to go. This is the first time that the K-tuned K2 circuit coilovers are seeing the track, and the honed roll center correction brackets in the back are the first time those will be seeing the track. I'm super excited. The car already feels better on the street, so I can't wait to see what the car does at speed and on the track. And I did a kind of poor man's alignment with my alignment plates yesterday. I did Hone's recommended alignment, so this will be a good baseline first test. I'm hoping for good results. Now let's check out some of the cars here at the track day for Eibach. There's some good Hondas out here today, guys. So that was my fastest lap, but first things first, stickers. We have our new stickers on the site. We have the RM logo in white and black and red and white, 3x3, $5 shipped anywhere in the world. And then our classics, the logo sticker, vinyl transfer sticker, and our Wrench Race Refine repeats. Go buy some stickers, and we have t-shirts on our Teespring. So go to refine-movement.com and you can get to both pages and buy some stuff. So that was my Eibach Track Attack meet. Eibach's had it for its second year. This time I feel like it was the best it's been. There was less posers out there and more track Honda enthusiasts, which was really fun to be out there with Honda guys and guys we know and all doing track stuff. Definitely something I hope they keep doing, and I will keep going. Well, actually out there I got my new personal best, which I didn't think I had gotten. Kind of had an off day on track. I think it was more my head wasn't really in the game, because it's really exhausting getting the car out there and getting it all prepped and ready to go. I actually checked my lap times with the video footage, and I actually did a lot better than my app told me. The iPhone and Android phones, they have good GPS sensors, but actually they're not as good for racing. They don't get as much data as needed really to get good, solid, accurate figures. I'm hoping next time I can get an external GPS to hook up to the iPhone to give me better lap times. I got a half second faster than I did in February. That was the first time on the Hoosiers. So now I have this new time, so the car is moving in the right direction. It definitely feels better. You know, I have the K-Tune coilovers and the Hone roll center correction kit. That was the main difference between last time at the track. The coilovers and this setup with Honed has really made the car feel better. It's never felt as good as it does now. It feels more stable and it inspires confidence. So it's almost there, I feel like. So I'm getting close to my end goal in my head about how I want the car to be. I think the main problem now with the suspension is it just needs a good solid alignment, a real good alignment by a race shop. And Speed Syndicate is really gonna help me with that. They're gonna make sure this time around I'm gonna be corner balanced and I'm gonna have a good track alignment, because I did my own alignment last time. I did my own toe settings that Hone recommended with my toe plates, and I think those worked really well. I'm gonna be sticking with that. But the camber settings really depend on the track you're racing. Next time I'm gonna be putting in some more negative camber. I think that will really help me get the grip out of the Hoosiers that I really want. So what I really have been seeing now, especially this time at the track and even last time, is I'm getting to the point driving as the car is set up now where I'm starting to see its limitations. Obviously, I'm a big limitation. I still need to learn a lot of things. But I think what's happening is I'm seeing two things that really could be improved upon, and I think the car, with some modifications, will really bring it up to a new level. One of the main things is braking confidence. Braking into the corner later and harder is really gonna, I think, help my lap times. And I don't have a lot of confidence in my braking setup right now. And I think that's really just mainly due to the Hawk HP Plus pads. I think I need a race dedicated brake pad to really get more bite that I'm wanting, because it's just not there yet. So that will be an improvement I think I'm gonna do soon, maybe even next time. And then the big thing that's really gonna get this car with this engine to where I want it to be is the transmission. The Z6 transmission is built with all new M Factory components. Speed Syndicate has already built it for me. That's gonna really give this engine a whole new character, because the Y7 transmission that's in the car right now, the character is MPG economy. It's not a sport transmission, let alone a race transmission. So I think even though it's a D-Series single cam, no VTEC, with this upgraded race transmission that's going in, the car is gonna be so much better at the firm, because I'm really seeing in 3 corners at the firm where the car is lacking and the transmission is the problem. So the first issue is coming out of turn 10 into turn 1. Turn 10 is a hard off the straight, and I have to brake hard and turn in. I'm in second gear, and then it's a really fast corner through turn 1. So I really don't even have to brake for turn 1. I'm carrying a lot of momentum from the straight, and I'm in second gear, and even before I hit the corner of turn 1, I'm hitting the rev limiter, and there's at least a second of time I'm losing, if not more, maybe 2 seconds of waiting for turn 2 to come, because turn 2 is a hard corner, and I can't shift in the third and then shift back. It's just too late. So I think the transmission being upgraded with the new gears, that's going to help those corners that corner in particular a huge amount because I'm just running out of a gear. The next corner is the hairpin, turn 7. I really come down that corner. If I have a really good line, which I did at this fast lap, and I can get through to the corner exit, it still doesn't help because I'm in second gear and I'm at the very, very bottom, and the car just, I have nothing, no power. So I'm just waiting and waiting and waiting for the power to come on. So I can't pull myself out of that corner because it's a really slow corner. And so with the new transmission, that's really gonna help that. And then I come up to turn 8, which is the wall turn. Coming out of that, I'm in third gear, which I changed how I was doing that corner in terms of gearing. Third gear has helped me gain some time instead of downshifting to second and right back up to third. But it's still out of the corner. I'm in third and I'm at the bottom of third. And third in the Y7 transmission is huge gear. By the time I get to the end of the straight, I'm at the top end of the third, but I can't even get into fourth. So I know when I get to this new transmission, I'm gonna be able to go in the third, I'm gonna be at the top end of third, and then into fourth through the straight. And I think I'm gonna gain so much time. So I really think the D series is gonna come alive with this transmission, and it's gonna be huge gains. That brings us up to this week. I'm going to get my transmission. I'm gonna get corner balance at Speed Syndicate, and the car is gonna be ready. I'm gonna be putting the transmission in after that. I'm gonna be corner balancing before that with the honed camber arms, and it's gonna be ready to go. I'm gonna have all those updates soon, so please go subscribe to our channel. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It helps us so much. Please go get some of our stickers at refine-movement.com. Go buy some t-shirts, and I'm gonna be having those soon to show you all in person, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.